Edamo Inamasia Saba, Hebra Socia to and common so I say Bella Samoa. Good morning. Also Wajibra also Oshibi. Yeah, that's Sarasuna DJ Atoto also London and O'Neill and Ponsa. And Damasisa Majibra Mosumoshibi. Ultimate Remedial School, more asin fosu mankasim dun corner free and a bonsun quanta quenya betwamao. Say Ubetimia Tron, social beam, Abiana, Modern Mona, Suenia. Ultimate Remedial School, Sibrana Sabatron of Deck, Bromodo Fantitia, and no be track to cry or Muetimia pass on social. Come. Fre 0244 696911 and 020-789-1004. Nane Ultimate Remedial School for Enkasa Excellence Boutique is here. Koso, Yeshanta, the Papa, Anebo from where Quadawe Penu. Obana Bema Biasun Kwa Kopawata Diato. When I be on Krabata for Frodo Kofodia, they would reach Madina or Doko, Kaswa, and a face Pentes, Tema, Unyabi, Ato El Honum. A face with Kumasi, one on Krabata or Anna, a year Takra Nation, as one on Krabata or Fred 0244-925-435 and 0245-297-064. Lucky Heba, so why Lucky Brow Bond, Horn of Wodet Mama would do Naya, Debia, Dana Cranko. Daos ne to asie prekope e de amount 0260791194 and 0277465855 na ne on nkasa de kwakwa no Mega Joy campaign I want the Korean regions in aba say na de drinks nko a e de wo Anf agency na ye eboa ma utimi didi eno achi so etimi ma sa akonya na ma utimi edwe wo homi ye say ba se wo homi a inti kope Korean regions in a track one for 0303 970-496 or 0201399531 and 0201399532 now anyone intimi any inkita home. Well, my main car was say and anamontubi on the part of our buying to make sure say yeah assemblies moving on quickly. My main kind Enfa government inaugurates 6 MMDAs today. And Sarah, my main account is Agyapong Anf Felix Kwakye. Say, when you pay most of your campaign, a MPP, also on the ticket of MPP. We'll come to that. But 6 new municipal and district assemblies will be inaugurated today, bringing the number of metropolitan municipal and district assemblies in the country to 260. They include Kole Klote Ablekuma Central, Nono Aye Doctor Engineer Nanato Arthur, and Yero Safumafo, and Ekonowana Kubiano. And then we have the Ayawaso Central Municipal Assemblies, and which have been carved out of the Accra Metropolitan Assembly of the Greater Accra region. Osu, Latebia Koshi, and Kokomlemle will be their respective capitals. And from the East Gonja Municipal Assembly in the Northern Region, the Northeast Gonja District Assembly will be birthed with Palibi designated as its capital. The Achiasi District Assembly will be split from Birim South District Assembly in the Eastern Region, and Achiasi made its capital, while Alonga will be the capital of Alonga District Assembly when it is segregated from the Keta Municipal Assembly. So you're sharing so and the advantage. In Accra here, Haji Alima, Ero Safumafo, Doctor Engineer Nana Atwata, Regional Minister, and I want to be this Jumano for the inauguration. Okay, Agyapong quickly, I mean, I know what to say.
Oh, Madam,
so why that statement, say, on your campaign? Why?
I did a statement, you know.
That's what the Ghana Web,
you know, Kwabra, me was problem, but there be a mecha, must say, oh, when I can Agyapong on Kase, you are not both. No, only part me now or destroys it. No, penny be or respect me, appreciate me, pa friend me or patch or minia. Yes, so, Opa crying co president, or say, dear Massam. Many president need problem. Now, no crack cocoa for the media grow. No, so, yes, also, you can be named me. Men can't be also here, me, then I'm so. Honorable IC Queen frame. I'm so how? I've never said that anyway. What I said, now, you catch them say, the way I must report to media. One day, more animal than Tokwa Esi, Ghana. Oh, a very, very dangerous. na minim Ghana web near upper free me. You know, Ghana web by whom say done blockers. And they distort him for me. I'm a radio station. And I present and be say magazine 4-year plan say person call demonstration. Now I'm say honestly, I know the I am prerogative. But me mom the I say campaign time. You call magazine. Emma kaya you for crowd wo mo yi ba ho be support we. Magazine for problem wa ni duty. Nearby ni say their duty no kra akosoro ma ombu ofuni. Ndi mimi say wo from say men call magazine enko campaign bi ma men ko. And I'm saying catch up say diaspora Ghana for wa bruchiri. Omu challenge nyina ye duties. Because omu do omu ba. And also me call a promise family say ba ye beti ni omazo. And also amazo. Do you invite me say men ko bruchira men ko. Because I don't know what I'm going to tell. So
specifics magazine challenge no.
Yes.
And Ghana for one on so challenge.
Diaspora. Yes.
Yeah, tools are for our own call. What's making it difficult? So why by meeting Anf Felix idea?
In fact, we have good news. And painful nyina are ready. Until aboso account for munyai demonstration among radi kakra. Swami Fonso munyai. We are all supporting. We know the contribution of magazine. Aboso kind. The president himself has said, no, they have to look at the taxes. Yes, and weekend, you know, all kind. And Obian in Beshia or your finance has accepted, say, they have to reduce duties.
How soon?
Oh, I know I can't tell, but once Omunya patch, Honorable Safumafu, Honorable Kwaku Kwati, Obian in Kasai, now they've agreed. Say umbeteso.
But ni pay.
Agreed. Say enyoma masaya ubeda na awareness naba. Say maka once. Enu ni asema president an bisa me abekaya. Me say e wo baabi a o say Agyapong say onye campaign ma. Na me nya campaign man bi me go ma hwan. With these hawks.
Are the hawks are they?
Are killing themselves. No more humponi. Then year 2020 Ghana for so it's never true. I've not said that. Said me but it was specific. Said me with the duties. Who invite him? Say me ko Kumasi magazine. Me ko. Because me who can say me ko bruchira. Me ko. This is how I put it.
Okay.
But a buyer na advice any praises somebody ma ban in there. On say one can.
Now ban there why you praising?
Me ba ha me fa wa yu yi e kire o se so di nneoma yebu amammo no ayebu no enneoma bebre nti se wo ka wo di nneoma edu egumu a 8 there wo se abana ya especially with social interventions but ade e biti emienu e CD depreciation and the duties. This is how I put it. Timicho said you can never compare NDC to MPP in terms of good governance. Answer way in our anka. And I mean, born MPP for she said, Omoya don yonkuna town because corporations in Bebre. Omo the very people are almost tank of when nipan. Say, or belong to MPP Tino. Yet tan anyway. The very people number woman promotion. Against MPP for Omatinam Anuncio Acha open.
But how do you identify that? Apart from so say anything be a Ghana, no to Ghana first. How are you able to identify say Communist anti or share a GRA or Kutia ye papa na or Kutia MPP and or Kutia Ghana?
Yeah. I'll give you an example of GMPC. What you have here. I will hope. The very people are NDC, a promoter. I have the list. Next week, where NDC for two no more bonity. Me jam documents. Ho hiamene.
NDC for two.
Yeah. And yes, sir. Met me abechero GMPC. NDC for hold key positions.
Demonstrators. NDC for cabinet members.
Yes.
Affect your Juma now.
Yes. yeah, affecting adwuma mo here because they still maltreating people. Mr. KK Sapon, even the secretary crying papa. I can give you a list of GMPC.
Okay, so be papa now patch say on working to the benefit.
The patch say udu on IMPP near reception as secretary in the mama, you have no idea.
Me say we have Ghana ni or ma what kind of treatment?
Good. Reception. Just be nice to people, irrespective of his
political affiliation.
Yes. But or yes selective. Now me say MPP, you struggle 8 years in opposition. About power, a failure. We allow NDC to dictate to us. And surprisingly, most of their chief executives are so comfortable dealing with NDC4 against MPP4. I still maintain it. I said it, and I still maintain it. I have a list of GMPC. NDC4 in your contract. Wow, I will hope out. Mr. KK Sapon, you're a pesika for MPP. I admit, say he did well. But so soon he has forgotten himself. Surrendered himself with NDC4. Eish.
But how do you know?
It's so disheartening. They know. But NDC4 no ba, omu yomu tatia ho brase. Niyami yakura ni say, hwa me se me ni Ibrahim, yemi enu nyina nyonko Ibrahim. Etina play mu. And somehow will catch them what he knows. Now Osiri, you know, these same people are omu didi wa NDC. And namuni omu ne dealing, especially this area. Catch them place that no Mahama family went into this oil. It was Ahoy's Guzitano. I'm quoting. The Fantis took over. And still KK Sapon is dealing with them. Remember contracts, all those people behind those contracts. I know, but you can't move say, can Agyapong one day or say party, and the and but I've never said say I will not campaign for MPP. Never. So propaganda no more.
So party be your power. I just said in call phone call say kwanya adwuma.
Now Felix Kwakye no mu e ba ye no a wo mu NDC phone kwa no mu fa wo mu. Wonim no mai. NDC is so smart to say. Uko the hierarchy ayinu a on himself top on Fosu Kwakye wo ba be yi na di. E man transcribe na me tackle no. Oh, on himself be yi na di. Fosu Kwakye has been smart to put the next person there, the third person, the fourth person. Chaining na. It we back automatically, it goes away. We back automatically. It's a good plan for them to get their people working. Why can't we also do same? Why can't you also do same? Mimi yanku kwa musu. Wa fedi wa resign. A wo kone. What you wo kone ni kasim biya wo Ghana Maritime. Oh, they are good. Oh, they are this. So we say, hey, we have. And the money idea, your mom position no so SC. Abanyina chief executive. Me you are and yadwa. MPP chief executive senior. Almost wasi.
I see.
They are so comfortable dealing with it. And I made typical example of Kofi Job. I said it. Oh, kumasi.
Kofi Job.
Me say, Ejaku awu amiya. And Kadebi Abe so what may so rest in peace. Baby, I rate you upon program. Airport, Mami Landi. Airport.
Yankombra. Yakwaba eba ebeto yankomo so. Yasa by Adom na say braso say to yankomo so wa hanum say meet your MP honorable Kenneth Agyapong Friday 22nd February 2019. Is it at Tonsu?
Atonsu. No umfa bakun kam, so umfa fosu kam.
So date Friday and then Asin Ruakese. Okay. Right. And then Akrufum Techiman. Okay. So 24th, 22nd. Okay. All right. So that's it. For one thing, I can say Felix. Felix Kwakye.
Yeah, okay,
Emma Felix so.
Yeah, mami di kanchia ahwefo nyina na menchia AK4 so. Omo da so ahwe o program no. Omo so mugu so train. Kennedy Agyapong so beba. Na obedi mema sem no kan no. Omo train no pa. Maybe no, maybe to say or can be say a year NDC for. Yeah, baby more.
What packet?
Yeah, party.
Me to say all can be fire or cakes upon it. A year or Felix Blin, Topa is your Montemon. Say MP before
you talk one American.
I'll remember myself. So, that's all fine. Is it a Munyamon talk and not a more one? Muncho Munko. Say Makofa MPP national chairman. A basi or cakes upon Conho. Now or Teteno, a Hanadu GMPC. Muncho Munka. Mamon for young MFF. And some of course would GMPs and find this in be. Now, everyone said, Ora Canada Japan see with video soka. Say MPP for no. On my power. Omu to me, a chair. Dear friend, national cake no man, this won't be asked. Say, I can't, I'm a nuclear, a person in Kumina. We MPP have been home. Share. And yes, a beer. On my bar, come the mouth contract. When your contract that why you are as you chow can, and no cranium farmer. Ah, Ora go sing antichi no 12 video ya. Ora Canada Japan, a year the fencing. And not sending for to say. One to saw kind of say a year a buying penny for a catch and say, we end this new contractor. Now say we see Kaku dear Banwa, we see can never pro. As for NDC contractors, their monies will rot. So one says, Asim. And ya look at Mr. And ya look at Mr. Nancy, ya. O make keep you contract the seeker by 3 years. Amasicano, the value no so what's it. Omwa, contracts no a year denominated in dollars, and I say a year dollar number the same. A swat because of dollar and now 5.3 Ghana cedis dollar. And I know I back on once. Omu no, almost sign the Fidelity Bank, acquire share. Say almost be factoring. It is all person on Saka Osika. Go home Fidelity Bank. Now ammonia between 10 to 14% of Wazikana, why you do mess up by the man. Answer. Yet the Akanama. Omu, you are contractor for no Esikanos. I told me and Sano. As some want to say, we end this new contractor. Na so sika ko dia MPP abai ho na wo kogye a wa fa bia nto apono so anya dia won sabeka minimum obi a mo bi san as much as 40% and so mo din sika ama no inti pesame nkuminya a e kwaso MPP abai mu no hwe omo no mo ba abai mu a obo pamo from a year managing director e copy messenger isan so mo so ye NDC ni hwe wo ko institutions bi mu a minister bi dia oba no odine dwuma mu fuo nyina private no non private company no de mu nkrofo nyina na di na chi ba ministry ho e na wa sideline e ye civil servants a omo wo ho isan so omo ye MPP and omo susu omo ye NDC for e na e was so many government industries NDC ni be na omo ba power we nya contract omo di na bi
nya na mabo bi a kire
de na boy
Kofi Job.
Oh, Kofi Job. So, the contract are in the dada.
Kofi Job, Ibrahim said, machines. Ah, what do you mean?
I make a massive. Mamma, what call your sector? Memo, I said, what call your sector? A year, contract.
1 second. Okay, Japan. Don't create the impression, say. NDC in your gun and you Jumaya and your. What do you contract na boss ya ban adwuma enye NDC nye MPP ya ban adwuma a na omo supply eye state oil company bi omagye e de amoma mpanin hu nipa
bodin
oh why bodi ude nya botre
bodi
oh
me yanke be bodi
me say omahini say sa asem no e boboba
bodi
hwe omasan de oil block bi e de amoma mpanin hu nipa
bodi
e nya botre
yankota kwamra sisi ati se eye bibi koso takwa hello, good morning. Apom to say, Lord Terrier, morning. Apom to say,
good morning, Omahini.
Good. Takwa na wo hefa na ojina DNAC.
Yeah, Omahini, ya som ewa takwa. Ne be takwa and the pair ne ekwas no say, men's good customers ewa takwa ne. Ne kwa so no, ya oye cheka sepa atoto say aban say, baby adru je, enu onwram sit aban emeboa mo. Na o hwe placard o ma twa ukana. Ebi say Mr. President wake up. Mr. President, 2020 is just as the corner. Mr. President, 1 million customers are dying. Mr. President, yes, so baby, bubu, and the baby every day. You wouldn't many. Oh, you see, I call for men's good. On mine.
I see. Auntie Nipa do do be say na ASI chewe.
Am I for about 200 and I share and the pay our tap and in Quaso.
Omodi free no omodi ko
But I say
omodi omano di same e koma hwan.
I see that Yasha, but as I almost call the municipal assembly, no matter presidential petition. I'm some you back the police headquarters, some the petition that I'm paying for.
Okay.
About more money.
Okay, Mamena was say, you best have our municipal assembly on your fair train commerce. So customers must go or more tapa and sooner at it to an amount. One neighbor, a buy her no umber or no more or takwa. You best have caught a brain here. Well, now, almost person in your moyano. Sabi, and yet, and it's for super nomadical. Even with the MPP Nankasano. Say, when you bushenia on San can be. How? Share a young toqua, Ura Freddy Blee, any Ura Kiki upon Aircono. So when in Crata, much ready about bunting. Who Ura Freddy Blee, you know. Was a yeah, and this for if you a bra or Mampeni, Akufado Barbemo. Any a chassis here, I can't say. Or the Amemo Nayo football, who near the bushenia won't come. Meno Cassie, or Mampeni, the home, a bushia for. Now for 4 non-business associates. Any ministers, any pennyful be any annum, only a bush for no now for one abem. I am Akumaku 66. One may acquaint a born in natural 66. A being see that. And only a friend on nepotism. Well, Coco football, so being your bush near, one fanning barbem. Now, so I'm making or my penny original symposium or share was on yes, hour. A year 17 January 2016. Ojina Kumasi Abontinso, no share. Say, I will not operate a family and friends government. And on my penanga say, no, to and Yaman America, main canton so. Obi, I was be to me, a copess assembly. I know that China. A yakrata, or Freddy Blee, a trade tia, or Rakakis upon what you say, a honor and nepotism, clanism. A busiasem, clanism, just a busio film. Sabi, one year as Antinia, a chimney, unya quenya, I want another abemu. Unya contraji, unya juman yet, I want another abemu. Into the end, news to say where nepotism keke. Sa na MPP chairman and Kasa. Wakatu was a clanism, and a air course with MPP abemu. Into maybe me say Oka, say MPP for near Juma, one of the accusations are, you the Tom and Penny Mama, so end with him. And then they say, now on my before Juma. So I ask him. Omwa, Omani Nisia, and Omonkas as I'm into so. Want to see a bobo ding, same penny phobia me before Munya contract. That's all right. Honorable report to you. You buy a son or contract with Mr. Yanica. Nanado, dear, good, very good.
2009
oh,
to 2014.
Very good. Why you married a dollar rate in BBI?
Very good. Complete.
But he was paid.
He was paid. Yes. Very good. By any day, answer our cousin.
Why you do more than any into your business, ma?
He needs to be paid.
I see a channel coming for us. Inti, Bonnie, but make us some so chill say. Say, yeah, no. Sani yeti anke ntianeka me no ka say NDC contractors wo hɔ a and as a contractors bi wo hɔ ma ye adwuma omusu so me NDC fo nto omusu omunti omo kada hwɛ ye wo nipa bi kura omo ye adwuma e wa ye fencing Ghana ha a yes aban ti omo ka esan so yesusu sɛ omo ye NDC fo nti be ye mfie miense ne ye ntua omo ka nti MPP fo omo pese me nkumnya omo enyi yimu ene omo kokofo bo obo no obi ani ho betumi de ne ho atoto wo omo nti mesre onyaika Yakasa asem na adaje bebo yin onyaika abembie ni wa ni ti mo den e wo ni political opponent so esen MPP. It is clear ye veduma no kra maw na wo ye aduma no kra pa ye ntua wo ka osika no omo se ebe pro it will rot owura kwesi nya ntese na yakasa asem enti me ba wakasa asem na ye mesere sabi se obegina haka atina haka asem wati se ono anim pepe se abakwasa ma wo ne kire se MPP for mo hwe ye ba yi and I say MP before buy. So when we contract akesi a omde mom. Omo ba be modi eni na saying. Oh. That's all crowd wants to be buy.
Maybe was
yes, so you contract 100 million. Hey, 25 million dollars at time no.
100 million cedis.
Now 25 million dollars.
Ejuma 100 million cedis. Now 100 million cedis. And 46 million dollars.
$25 million.
Me say
100 million, 25
million.
Yeah,
Uko schools no what's bomb. Economic. Who time who free power net dollars.
And 4.25 million.
4.2. Divide even granted 4.2. Divide 25 million dollars.
Okay, $25 million. But the point is that and
okay.
Say
yeah, could try Omra. Yeah, Kumasi. They are called NDC. Amanyuko no, no office.
Hey, na me we haro.
National executives. Omo chairman, Mr. Fosuan Pofu, and the general secretary, Mr. Siedun Ketia, and then paying for fin crime by someone who won't be a meeting. Meeting nana, a year nimpa 9B at Timoto so. A quarter to nimpa film, FM, Shrenem Kwa Abakuzu, a prayer. Then she much say, Sir, and Crawford 9 years, Betty charge me, and now be yes, able to side to away no. Belonging to almost the Hawks, that is a pro-vigilante group of the National Democratic Congress. Idia Omedia Mayan, and I say, because eyewitness, their Mayan, a warrior, Damos, Mijima, any Abu Kalima. Your boy on body has a benyon, achichum. Na, yeah, she said, I can say the crime scene for a war, a year in this Figna office, I'm according her. To make sure say ye mobile and Kosa office no na ye to me are conducting investigations into the attack of these persons. Yes, and so share NDC from paying for boss as a command no be boy homebody say o mo mudi sadwuma be tsan e betumi abon body ni nsa so mu e be sere so say obi a onim side din way say o belong to the Hawks of the NDC a vigilante group omunim side din way bia no e be dey said betom din the names of momboye na yentumi enchi won.
Well, Adom was a Bogusu Benjamin Adom team multi teams. Apia Stadium say and then Hokani birthday Juliana Fosia entry Anafi a year the offers so a year Maryland a Agyapong entry. Tiapia birthday and come Apia Stadium and the Banafi. In your bar, Mammy say one so also and Neoba Mammy Usua also dinner order and the back page of the Daily Dispatch has something to do with Nkoma Ibedi, the SC or a NDC party as well as Santimante. We'll call back page of the Daily Dispatch. Both MPP and NDC must disband their vigilante groups. Kennedy, Japan, and this and Nkomo Etuja. But Anf Felix Kwakye, boy Nkomo Kakra, what actually? What is the information that when you from a party
information be a crowd can you
money
I
will there the 8 year.
Oh, I said Asempa the 8 year. Asempa the 8 year.
Ah, who ni buy Asempa.
See, me can say Asempa. Let me change say Asema we want to say a year nipa bonifo bi ana ewudifo bi akobutuo ekum nipa baako ena o mepra obaako so sisi anoda ya sabia a doctor for ehwe no na we no yen NDC de yesusu say eye de bonifo no purely criminal act just say eye ewudisem a etia ganamra eno nti no ye de asem no ekodan ya posifo me no kase no omo ye mu hwehwe mu em say posipeni no kasa sisi anode atudwa se omo di omani ebu nipa enan bi se omo susu se omo enim asem no hu bi protocol ka say they are allegedly involved inti sisi me no kase di omo hwehwe se nipa nan no na omo di omo afamra kwanso ye NDC yaka ni pen se enya de a ye be so se bi ewudi sem a etesa so ye ntena ho ema obi enka se esan amanyosem nti no obefa emra no ahye ne nsem e de ayede ope na oni ni nua bi nya akasa watam etuo e de abono me ne o kasa ye mom de ye ni adansebie bi a kire se osimesi ana obenten e no di se adwuma no na impenifo e ye nhyiemu e wo yaso ye kese a e wo asantemante mo okumase na ne tie ne se me nda e be ye to aba e de yi frankatuni nti na nsem ba ko mienu bi Saturday ya na nsem ba ko mienu bi efa saa nhyehyɛ no ho a mpanimfoɔ a efi enkran ɔmo ya so yɛ kɛseɛ wɔ enkran ha no ɛne mpanimfoɔ ɛwɔ asantemantem no ebobo ho edi nkɔmɔ ahwɛ kwan yɛ bɛfa so atoto nneɛma sɛ ne bɛyɛ a asantemantem primaries no etumi akɔtɔɔten na mpanimfoɔ kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo te wa na ɔmo te akasakasa kakra ɛwɔ abɔnten ɔmo pie baeɛ no na etu ato omo kire say mrantie bi e di motorcycle e ba ho e ne be di say adwuma na sisi ameka say di o medwane nti ye NDC die ye ntumi nka say osimesi ano bente na ye aposifo na ese say omo ne nipa bi di nkomo no nipa ne kire say omo susu say nipa ti say e ne di say adwuma
NDC no wo ekobi aye from Hawks
say ne etie ne say eye na akufo ado ba mu no e na one ne MPP aban eye o madwen say omo de ebodi friend investment and adwetri ebewura etutrase mu nti omomrantie akakabenfo etutrafo a omato omudin se Delta Forces na Invisible Forces a da no etutrasem na ewudisem no omudi na omamu no aban no atai omechi yaka bia omahene mahwe program impendo do a wakase etia sa de den etiefo ene ahwefo akase etia Ghana asofo akase akase etia enyumeku a ensa bayase ya from civil society organizations so akase etia even international organizations UN any embassies ahodo Ghana ha akase etia anka ye hwe nimu se o mampanin ebeti na sopem na saa mrantie a ewudisem na etutrasem aso makoma mu ma aban ne taw mechi no nkomedwumedie no omde atofom anaso omejai na ye de Ghana bammo nhyehyɛ no ahye Ghana posifo na asrafo nsem ankoba ne saa da no betie no na omakoche police ni mpanin ewo abankese mu ewo Jubilee House abono na emrantie no omafom ho edi totin bibia anye wo mu omufu a omampanin ankasa opani a wapa no wasante mantem so onhwe bammo nhyehyɛ ho na oni intemujinafo adwuma no ana security coordinator no ono so saa Delta Forces emimfo na kakabenfo yi akwakoche no abono pasa eno so yanye omo hwe ye de omo kokota na Delta Forces kuro ya asan ko yinipa no asese court ho ne ma aburu nipa yanye omo hwe omo ye ya de ko eye openia ana oswafo a ohwe de ebonifre no planning monitoring odine ni di aban nyumachi eye ononyanfo akoto osei omo de ko no so ewo the consequence was okay be bosome miensa asa bosome nani omo kobo no esan se omo so omo ne nya adwe wasemi ho omakọ contractors a eye adwuma wa ban edin mu no akọji omedwuma from nsem omakọ Tamale teaching hospital akọpam doctors a omususu se omuni NDC afa enkra he ya UNDP for flats bi e wo cantonments a contractor bi ye ho adwuma omakọ akọji efini nsem omabu NDC for aye nyanyade ne adeade sabio ye no yeji the body friend rule of law edi yesusu se eya police for na asrafo na so boy ye ho ban nanso MPP aban na ye se omo mpres ade no they will invest in an apparatus of terror omo di dwetire bewura akakabensem ene tutrase ne sa nti no na hu ebehia se yeso ye be hyehyɛ abo ye ho ban se woni mpanimfu di nkoma ye mu bia kase o sa ade no kra da nya ade se nke so se san se yenim se aposifo na ebo ye ho ban but yeso ye ntumi ntina ho nya hwe han e ma na akufo ado ene na kakabenfo ne tutrafo no emebu nkam mfa yeso enku yen ansa ya pe anu aduro ntina hu hia se ye hyehyɛ bia bebo ye ho ban nanso no saa hyehyɛ ayeye no emra eda ho ye makwan se obia na NDC din mu edi etutrasem a emfa emra kwan so se wo yes a eyade a NDC amanyoku no ye ni mpanifo be kan bo atwe waso
a part of a wing of the NDC
ne yetie ne se eye ba mo hyehyɛ ya yaye em se yejura secretary waka se wo eye ba mo hyehyɛ as a response to the terror
Hawks
of the Akufo-Addo government
part of the NDC
eye ba mo it is a security arrangement ayaye as a response to the terrorism of the Akufo-Addo government against NDC.
Hawks eye bambo
hyehyɛ ye wo NDC we ya asem da ho general secretary waka
they are recognized.
Oh, of course, general secretary waka say sanchez na yade a yenim, but
solely
they are strictly regulated.
Okay. So over time jumo omodi nyina ayemoni so.
Oh, it's up until enra na omunye bibia obetimi aka say ana say bibi eno kra aye kan no adansedie bi ani ho as I speak to you say eye Hawks na ye nipa bi na ese eno nti na posifo eye mu hwehwemu say yade a yenimu anka ye nyemu hwehwemu boa man ye tie ne say me hu say bibifo bi ebo si efrifri ebu nkam fa so say omeni ade say asem ati say because the bonifant equalization no mususu omenya bi omadwe yo mo say saa asem a esi a NDC fo yetu ho na monwa ye nya posifo aka bom ya fa nyonko fa emu a ye den te se bi sekuni bodies no eno no ye nyina so a Ghana fo be nyina so amom we afi eye tu trasem a na nado aban ema omo mebunu omo mrantie emimfo terrorists no ekodi na ya so we so gon eye na otwe be miensa a etwem ye nyina ye hu bi kwan bone a de Ghana fo efa so se omatama ban sika edi ato uniforms ato etuo ato cars edi amasa invisible force ne Delta forces fo yi se konko bro NDC fo esan se yekoto abenti
okay but
na eno no
men say commission ejuma
men say o me omayine
that be
omayine ti omayine ti ye ne yakase we no hwe
because already the NDC as a party more opt out
good
but nipa one party mo susu say
very good omeko
minimum so anti careful and measured in critiquing
we have been very measured yakase sa commission hwe asem esi ayo aso we so go no adanse die na ye fine ensem miensa na wo ho sebi nipa no omo ye hemfo omo ye MPP mebunu ayedi mu omo ebi eye bodyguards of MPP mpenifo samye wuku ne bodyguard ka ho na bi bodyguard ka ho ye hu emrantie no bebre omo ne MPP fo
yeah all kind of for emphatic
emphatic hwe ba ko aye fe no double no there are several pictures are already about regional hold
but post for the phone on boy they only be
I don't mean no cry woman America to minimum be I don't know anybody
all right let's start
but maybe my last point
good
e to so me no juma be na mrante no kodi ye omo kodi etu trasem e wa ye aso we so gon e ho adanse die no mo amu de mfoni abetu dwa ye buru nipa onye hwe oje be no ma che no bo no esan so ye ndisi ni e na third hemfo na so ma wo mo oru abra na champ abeka se omo fi national security aso ye Omampeni Yakufo ono ne chairman of National Security Council. It is Amrante fi na so ye ne koye. It we no a straightforward case. I was say opposed for a criminal investigation. Said the omo ye criminal investigation into the sea Kumasi Emra no. Nanso no esan say omunum say sa asem no ekoso. Na opposed for hwe asem no mu a eye MPP Mrante no. Omo beka ama ebi akoda efiase ni ntino. Oma kofa commission ye a commission emra wo ne chese say wo ko oma hene ye frɛ wo.
Okay, remember those details is me that say but okay Japan Bremba Dankwa Institute can not pay was the accreditation board the honor award say Dr. Kingsley Nyako say the way Felix was discussing that was work on electoral disturbances with Vim on TV3 yesterday morning. This morning he's struggling to deal with the issue since it affects his party. We must all condemn vigilantism in our body politics. It's a demon that will devour us all if not dealt with once and for all. Guy G is saying, ask Kwakye Fosu, so NDC trust Ghana Police Service now? I want some, I don't know, so a day about. And then Omahe tell Ofosu Kwakye Honorable that whatever he counted, I don't get this one well. Okay, so former MC for Techiman Prince Dunyina says, come on, Felix, you didn't listen to Erastus, did you? It will help you a lot. So go back and listen to Erastus. Yeah, Rep or what Asante Maja. Okay, Japan. You have just concluded. You've concluded it simply on with a daily dispatch. So let's end this vigilante. MPP,
but we still need to talk about this.
Okay.
Precisely the argument say both parties should stop using vigilantes or whatever.
But same question to you. But who only any winger yet known as Invisible or Delta?
What do you mean by own?
MPP as the party.
Own, they say.
Are they recognized?
Yeah, they are our boys on protect here, and I appreciate the work they do.
What necessitated that protection? Free boys.
Yeah, because typical example is 2016 election poll. Emra President Akufo-Addo was Sunyane. NDC for Neiri Shefie. Na police station ni. Akufo-Addo fie ni police station. What intensio from police station webegu Akufo-Addo fie. They couldn't protect him. Because security agencies, government be a baby security agencies are working for the government. And you want to na ye to abo e ko pim you know. Police for any nima police for kanchem adiomoye. It had to take this invisible force for to go and protect the woman. And you see anaya power and me you mama. I mean, I don't do that too. Who can say enya yentiase? Now, interesting. We're a young man, so let me give him history. When him in 1992, Freche Mabute, Nebisa, in 1992, na me from America, but me was a sing a dubiasi. Me ye campaign. And na NDC for Eddie Fantifo from the coastal lay. Bas in a chumsa. We didn't know, sir. Just yani, for you because the whole central region, I think one and I say, yan two man Rollins. The bro MPP for the catch on 1992. Mr. Mwako, only Dia, Aquaba Kone boy, called the Dia one and on fire for all over central region, just to come and beat us in for. As Mammy can be, sir, Fred, Mabuni Paridi, Mr. Mwako, Nebisa, a dear two woman. As far back as 1982, NDC party. Now the Rollins say, Echo sign a well who's a Ninsa say moja. What is the significance of a moja or this sign at the end? And then this young man sits here, numerating. Say, wait. Momo dear, only Papa couldn't mean to say, and Cabonia, NDC, from Rollins to Munina, my Ghana for, with violence. I am now one Yakwan Ubakasa.
So that's the justification.
Yes.
You want to justify.
Yes.
The baby should not be your papa. But your papa.
Let me tell you something. Miss Romy, my history. And yes, the past sorry, Asabi, not been bomb and Wakasa anyhow. Missy, 1992, 96, every election, member near Befa ballot box. Okay, near declare. Ya fa ballot box, ya mamunkai near declare. I don't know among your face. MPP for your problem, I said. Ye pasim strasem eba ya wo mo akum wo mo hu won so ototo papa so hwe hawks e fe no koma history say kufu adubai waja wazoka boys chiriponi talency even aswasi you so call akwana or could defy girl a 12-year-old girl your friend is saying mutaka aswasi please me see get through media omo radio station Muslims on through
that is their
me see
no but that is not their
that is not what
that's their radio station
he doesn't aswasi or no by election
you can talk about by election but we can
and see Modia Zoka boys me na me TB da say election ye won kofo a etimi bro bai am se ballot boxes inti na pesa yan ya hwehan
the report to the police
mama typical example of Nima police station enie akufo adufi eni they couldn't protect him so it was necessary to get these guys to protect us. Yes, if there are excesses and today we see yan disbanded here, yes. But if we have your hawks, all of a sudden we see a define. Monkobi Samahama, he knows those boys.
How?
Because Abu Wano, Ono Abu Eslousu Kantamanto.
Abu no names not police force.
Yes, the fourth guy, Abu Taliban. Debia Mahama ko baby Odinich. It won't be sir. I don't know, mu pasem surasem. No kra yanka. And na me pese President Mahama efa asema si kumasi no frɛ ambassador so nyina no say brief wo. That is what I expect President Mahama to do. Now if wo boy akokum nipa.
No.
Ade. Please. Onyankuni Ibrahim. Enu nchese oji. Oji ha obubo. Go and take baby Abu Taliban. Yes. Baby Mahama ko ibian. Odinechi. So go and check. Ejimezi Mumbisa President Mahama. Ni Hawks na what yes sir. What the counter ayifo. Akufuado. Delta Force was invisible and a buakanisi. You see the diabolic year and what the results are winning. Nanima Guasia Casa, Nessa Abrochine Babia, and can DC for political party like NDC, go mama hama kran.
You could try home right.
Krati, assemble.
You could try. Over to us. Over to us. Well, lots of your text messages about oh, okay, Japan. Okay, so
yeah, Kwabra, ina me kasa brochiri baby a politics wo muti as democracy Mahama kranko be yinesi but yensuro no nti wo de omra.
Okay.
But na me kasa no chiro. Mahama na eti hawks. Na Abu Taliban no da bia wodi Mahama chi. Enti ene se hawks fo no akọ kum tax force wa. Mahama na asho bu kutupa.
How do you arrive at that conclusion?
I arrive at that conclusion because onu ankasa te yakura na okache say o mati hawks. Hawks no I know Abu Taliban for a fact. Said that Bia Mahama Bekobian Udinachi. So if these people go and kill somebody, or your so-called bodyguard goes to kill a party member, and young Russian
as we speak now, police force these are
yes. Now me say Abu Talib, you see, the evil that men do lives after them. Boy, wait for bro, Eslonsu, any Abu Jinapo, Meko Kaya e charge me treason. Samu Yahu Bibia and can own kum party back. Mommy and Fanya, a suadia for all of us. Say vigilantism no, it's not good. But Niana Bro Ba Kania or Chira Yamonyono and a ma yani a dear Chirisuaye. Go all over the world, the history of this country. Party bang and started with violence. It is if we have Delta Force or Invisible air resistance. Because my Brugana Fwache, my political parties are check. What do you say? Anti-President Mahama, the same press conference now, we hear at the ambassadors in here. But many we young for no press conference because no a communicator. And to acquire the same press conference. Now, on country ambassadors no say, diplomats no say, or no Abu Taliban, our hawks no, or you're one of the bodyguards of Kodinachi. And the one was sponsor hawks to go and kill tax force of NDC. Mahama has done that. I can show you videos where this Abu Taliban is following President Mahama. So if today it comes that Abu Taliban is part of the 4 people that went there to kill a tax force a year, it means Mahama has sponsored the killing of this.
You think that the person Mahama you know will do that?
Me on to me, Nukreni, or no Casadia, and go a fine gentleman. But what shall you say? Well, you need who's the baby? When your resistance will make it is that Nukreni. And the Zania, and now I'm Agyapong the coup. How had you? But the Zania, or no other policies in here. They say, I'm going out. What is over Kaji? They say, probably every day. Yes, I agree. I have said it all. I don't support.
Baseless equalization. He has had state protection. Into on here any other bodyguard. So as my vice president, man state protection. Omanpeni if you be VVIP protection unit. President so. Or military men asraf wa Ghana man na atete omo papa bi na omo bɔ ne ho ban nti ohia Abu Taliban bia etoso miensa okɔ ahomgie mu so mampani dada no Ghana emra no kyerɛ sɛ ɛwɔ se ema no state protection nti or state with official state bodyguards nti enya no credit biara da atrosem say Abu Taliban bia
and the Yankofa
video bia ni bia
Mahama call rounds I'll get you Mahama call rounds
say Omanpeni mama only bodyguard bia apart from state bodyguards one kasa ma ba na dem no just okay ya true say enya no credit etoso mienu
enti woni mo mpokum ayi na na
me se me nim ni pe edi sa adwuma no enti maka tell say aposifo
o mi hawks
na me kama say
hawks you say mo
kasa me yedin hwe o man
fosi mate hawks
o man ni MPP amanyoko se na me di kan kai no omo gi etutrase bi they believe in violence ni sa ni ntino o man pani akufo ado oti invisible forces oti delta forces Burger Bulldogs Kandahar Boys any de eke ka ho edi no kra wote na wo se egu nka Burger Bulldogs
so bo de ne
oh meba make am asem
isi wo person e fa agbe
between 2014 ebepim 2016 omo kontokwa e wo MPP headquarters mako 11 edu baby no se wo kotena radio so bo na adu din a na delta forces ya be bu ebi na koto osu be mpa e wo Fox FM bukuma se o kai asem no hwe ori bi a we di 80 years ye friend atokwashi o MPP ni mapa okoye press conference bi wo choko se na nado eye kwan o di MPP nam so ne nyi hu to kaka se etia saa invisible forces for yi ekobo no ye nyina ye nim da eye kwabna Agyapong eni polafoko ekoye press conference a invisible forces for mo se na nado ase no ekokbo no twetwe nse kan wo ho so kai enti wo bedi mampanin na wo 35,000 strong police service wo thousands of military men wo military intelligence wo BNI wo national security na de ade a nka ye behwe enu se saa wo etutra for terrorist groups a wote na opposition no nka wo behwe ma no abrase basisi ano oye commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces esan ye supreme commander of MPP terrorists ewiasa fanen o mampani bia ni wo odi sa adwuma no you cannot be commander in chief of an armed forces regular armed forces ensan ye commander in chief of a terrorist group. It is an untenable situation.
Is that what it is?
But that is what it is. And this anka wo ono oye MPU or sanso ye MPP tinti mine want me mo nra Flagstaff House keke and as a Jubilee House keke without going through checks. Then so invisible forces for you omutu ko dina Flagstaff House elbo senior police officer na nka bus CCTV footage wo ho sankofo no ye nyom hwe.
Okay, pharmacy.
So omo nya na ado nkofo a nka omutu ko bo eye regional security coordinator for muhudi wonim se ye de omo court no e charge omo emo 1800 Ghana cedis fine no omo dana na ado ase se omo ko ahochire mu no obo awo.
All right, let me see.
Enti saa se mo kan ye onya ika
Bishop
se mo kodu metu asem le bu aka musima ma mfa mre yin ona ye hu no aya so we so gonyi man peni a wotie konya so a mo de sika ama etutrafo se omo nkonko bo NDC for what be that o man peni bi anya bi e wo Ghana bakwase mu e kana na ado.
Okay, so
enti ye no ye jimredi aposifo anya omo hwehwe mu emrante edi saa dwuma no omo nsa ka omo a enya ade a ibe twage omo se na ado twage Delta Forces and Invisible Forces for no ye mfo mo nko.
Okay, may I wrap up in 5 minutes, but Bishop Ajin Asare bereaved. The death has been announced of Mr. Andrews Kofi Asare, donor friend of Pops. He was 83. He was the husband of Nana Bna Ewusiwa, Queen Mother of Gomua Fete, donor friend Mrs. Rebecca Asare. His children include Bishop Charles Ajin Asare, Presiding Bishop, Perez Chapel International, and Deaconess Mrs. Cecilia Amo, Perez Dome. The other children are Reverend Solomon Asare, World Power Foundation Ministries, Mr. Emmanuel Asare, Zoom Lion Ghana, Elder Prince Asare, Perez Dome, and Safina Holy Spirit Temple, and Mrs. Winifred Akoto Sapon, Perez University College. So Bishop Ajin Asare, Kuse Ununyanum, on the occasion of the death of your father, Pops. We are back. All okay, Japan.
Yeah.
Simple.
Me wrap up.
Debbie, and yet Uber wrap up. I was going. What could Jinaho? The Akos so far. When you saw that wrap up.
Many so pass. I will share police, Asama Oka. Why is it that NDC parliamentary candidate, the fee, not your warning shot? Why? The police officer, please. I am reading. Please, let me finish. I am reading from the interrogation. Police officer. May say, why is it that they were giving warning shots inside the house? Why? Training, intelligence, and here one say, the hawks ni azoka for. Now, no man is only intimidate here. Let's just say a done deal for them. Violence in 2020. Why are you Brian Champo? Why are you? Oh yes. Oh yes.
the commission.
The testimony is Muamuni Pa Makukuno. Makukum woman shoot woman. Yeah, I don't know Chinamu. I don't Bonia. MPP, they acted fast. Yes,
what's it? And I admit it. Say, Nanado, near people, they say, I also was balance.
You are saying Nanado, when I tell you, Mahama, when I go training, Mahama, I go training, Ubeden was a Masamati at this point. Let me say, Abuta, Mahama, and Koti, and a hawks, MPP chairman of national security council. Say active fast. That day. Any pump won't be cool. Now you show more what they have done. Now, if we had allowed them, Debbie, we are as old. Yeah, Zippa, protect the gun of water. Hey, wait, you allow who made this shoot to kill. What do you say? Any born name now, or try to reach him.
Almost said National Security Council in Tadia. Echo deal to
representing state, you know.
Kennedy Japan, Tiha, Agyapong say, Omuna, yes, I did. And when
they say, what
so I'm Nancy, I call Ghana for
heavy cheap politics.
Never cheap politics. Ask what would you
Messi?
I didn't want to put it now. It's when Miss
I guess a vigilantism.
Oh, yeah, I wouldn't.
Well,
yeah, stop woman. And any paper would that be? Because I didn't know my information. They were piling ammunitions. Our candidates. Why?
Yeah.
On it, a fence in some judge on the commission.
Okay.
I throw someone or take heady. And before the num.
Okay.
Say not if you would be a better. Now, I was we are here to move for some. I see